Alright guys, so we got our pile of parts here. Water pump is off. Got that timing cover off. Got the trans out, guys. Alright guys, see we got the oil pan back on here. She's not the cleanest, but she's pretty clean. You know, we are working against time. This is the second day with almost no sleep that we've been attacking this, so she's pretty clean. Got some grease left over, but everywhere at the main service is actually really clean, so we should be good, guys. Coming together, guys. Trans is in, wired up. See See the new clutch in there. It's looking pretty good, guys. Still gotta do the U-joints, so we're gonna drop the drive shaft again, do the U-joints. Actually on the 2.3s from here back, so from the cat back, it's the same. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off after the fact, and we're gonna put the 2.3 exhaust on this, and that's pretty much it, guys. Looking pretty clean. Alright guys, ready for the first fire on the range. Red Ranger. Running. Definitely still got some work to do. Tune up, exhaust, suspension, brakes. But we're trucking right along on this thing, guys. See that new water pump? Ooh. Everybody, another day out here at my boy's garage. Got the new Red Ranger project here, so we got a lot knocked out last time this thing was in the bay, but we still got some things to do. We're going to do tune up wires, plugs, hopefully a few other things along the way, fix some of these random wires and things in the engine bay. So stay tuned and let's get into this, guys. Alright guys, might be hard to see, but we got our first spark plug loose here. See if we can go ahead and see it right there. See if we can get this guy turned out. Yeah, she was barely in there, guys. Looks like we got some auto lights here. Not the greatest, not the worst plug, but come over here. We're going to be replacing them with these Motorcraft SP486s. So we got Motorcraft plugs right here. We also got the Motorcraft wires, so it should be good once this is all said and done. All right guys, might be hard to see, but right here where I'm pointing, you can see that right there. That's the plug. So we got our second one loose. There we go. Got it out. And we did get our first one in. You can see it with all that light, but there's the first one, guys. So they're coming along. All right, guys, 2 down. I don't know if you can see that light can be too bright sometimes, but here we go, guys. Got 2 of them in. I don't know if you can see this one, but that one's got electrical tape on it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this one off, and then we'll hopefully have 3 down and then on to the other side, guys. Look at that thing, guys. It was just a little broken, guys. You know, a little electrical tape always solves a problem, so you know. All right guys, so if you can see, we got one side down, so we got our 3 wires going to our brand new 3 plugs. So might be hard to see them all, but they're there. So now we're going to move to this side with the zip tied masterpiece for all the wires, and we're going to go ahead and get all these knocked out, guys. go, guys. So we had the black-headed wire. This was a black-headed wire but ripped, and then a red-headed wire. So not sure what was going on here, especially with all those freaking zip ties, but we're making progress. We're gonna go ahead and start working on these plugs. All right, guys, so I don't know if you can see with this light, but all new plugs are in. Gotta say, as we progress down this side, it just got harder and harder. Had to use a combination of different size extensions and all that, but all the new Motorcraft plugs are in here. Now all we gotta do is get the 3 new wires on here, and then we're gonna run them cleanly with some new separators, and then I'll eliminate the 17 zip ties that we had here prior. So let's go ahead and get these wires on here, get them in here nice and clean, and then the wires and plugs will officially be done, guys. All right, guys, plugs and wires off the checklist. So here is the setup. We got the wires ran nice and cleanly, and to avoid all this zip tiness that they had here, I got another wire set clamp from the old truck, which you can see right there while I'm shining the light. So none of that is touching the EGR pipe, believe it or not, or the exhaust manifold. We got it in the clamps right there, so it's all organized, clamped everywhere. So all these wires are routed, and all these wires are routed extremely cleanly, and it should be a lot better than what we had originally, guys. So let's just get the rest of this buttoned up and we'll give her a fire. All right, guys, she's back together. Intake's in, everything's plugged up. Got the battery back connected. Here's the door going crazy, so let's see how I did. Ready? Woo-hoo-hoo. That was a really clean start, guys. This thing fired right up. Can you tell I'm excited? Oh yeah. He's running, guys. Running pretty nice too. These plugs and wires were so needed. Honestly, this was probably needed more than anything, even though there's a lot of opportunity and a lot of things this truck needed, but I think these plugs and wires are really holding this thing back. So can't wait to take her on a drive, man, but let's keep rolling through this, guys. We still got some stuff to do. We got some things to check out, so let's keep going. Go ahead and finally get to the old original Ranger, the crashed Ranger. There she is.